In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use natural language on Todoist. This is an incredible feature that makes working with Todoist not only intuitive, but also incredibly efficient, saving you time and streamlining your task management process. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Todoist account. Using your web browser, head over to app.todoist.com/login. You'll see the login page where you can enter your credentials. Simply type in your email address, followed by your password. One thing to remember is to ensure your information is entered accurately to avoid any login issues. Alternatively, if you'd prefer, Todoist also offers the convenience of signing in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Just click on the respective option and follow the prompts. Now that you're logged into your account, let's talk about using natural language to add tasks. One of the fantastic features of Todoist is its ability to understand plain, everyday language. Instead of adhering to strict formats or remembering complex commands, you can type your tasks just as you would say them. For example, if you want to remind yourself to send an email tomorrow, simply type "email Susan about the project tomorrow" into the task field. Todoist will recognize and set the task accordingly. It interprets your natural language input, integrating it into the task seamlessly. When it comes to adding deadlines, you aren't limited to rigid selections. Use simple phrases like today, tomorrow, next Monday, or even specific dates like June 15th. If you need to specify a particular time, you can add that in too, such as June 15th at 9 AM. Once again, Todoist will interpret this information and set the task with your desired deadline. If you have tasks that need repeating, Todoist makes setting these up just as easy. You can create recurring tasks by using phrases like every Monday or every other week. This natural language processing ensures that the task recurs at the intervals you've specified without any additional settings or clicks. The true beauty of Todoist's natural language processing lies in its simplicity. There's no need for any special syntax, no memorizing of commands, just natural language that Todoist intelligently converts into task details. This not only makes the process quicker, but also allows you to manage your to-do list accurately, reflecting your specific needs without the hassle of manual entry for each detail. And that's it, you've learned how to leverage the power of natural language in Todoist, transforming the way you approach task management. Give it a try and you'll see just how quick and intuitive organizing your tasks can be. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.